Hello, Seth here with BlenderSensei.com, and today we're going to be wrapping up our short video series explaining all the various features and workings of the Blender add-on Hacker. And so what we're going to discuss today is how to install updates to the add-on. You can always update any add-on by going to Blender's Preferences, selecting add-ons, and then installing a new zip file of that add-on of the same name. However, that's not really the best solution when updating Hacker, because Hacker stores custom search history, recent files, things like that, as well as custom code templates, code inserts, and things the user can easily add and edit and customize. And you don't want all that sweet stuff getting overwritten. So to avoid that, but to still be able to update the add-on for bug fixes, new features, things like that, you can right-click, and under Options, you can click Install, and then you would simply select the zip file that you downloaded from your BlenderSensei.com account and click Install Update, and that would be a wrap. So if you ever want to check if there's a new version available, whenever you right-click and open the Options menu, you'll always be able to see which version of the add-on you're using right here, and then you can press Updates, which will take you to the main page at BlenderSensei.com and let you know exactly which version is available and if you should be updating. So that's going to about cover it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you're interested in checking out Hacker, please do head over to BlenderSensei.com/hacker. Lots more information there. So that's going to do it for now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.